Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday morning. If you're new, welcome. I'm glad you joined me. If you've been here before, welcome back. We're going to make a banana pudding this morning. I've got bananas that need to be used. I'm going to show you all the absolute best banana pudding you will ever eat. No bake, no cook, no nothing. It's mix up, put in a bowl, and you are good to go. And if you ever make it, you'll never make banana pudding any other way. And if you ever take it anywhere, everybody will say, is she bringing banana pudding? I promise you, this is absolutely the best banana pudding ever. So what we need, 5 cups of milk, 8 ounces of sour cream, 13.5 ounces of Cool Whip, 3 boxes, small boxes of Jell-O instant, and it has to be instant, pudding. Recipe calls for French vanilla. Sometimes I use banana cream, and today I'm using this banana shake and French vanilla because I don't have enough of either one. So I'm going to mix them up. It'll be fine. A box of vanilla wafers and some bananas. That's all you need. All right. First, we're going to mix up our pudding mixtures. 5 cups of milk. We are going to add in all of our 3 boxes of pudding. Y'all, I want to ask y'all to do this for me. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up buttons. Helps. And leave me some comments. And share my videos. Share them on your social media. Or anywhere. Just share them so they get out there. And then I get more people. And it all just kind of snowballs. All right. 5 cups of milk. Our pudding. There's French vanilla. Banana shake. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, I found this Sonic instant pudding somewhere, and I don't remember where. But they had some unusual flavors, so I thought we'd give it a try. All right, there's that one. All of our puddings. I'm going to give this a good stir into our milk with our whisk. All right, now then, we are going to add 8 ounces of sour cream, which is a cup. Let me grab me a stir it up good. Y'all know how sour cream will separate. Get watery on top. You don't want just the water, you want it all mixed up, right? Now then, let's get us out a cup of sour cream. We're going to dump that right in here. Put that over in the sink. And my container of Cool Whip is 16 ounces. So I need 13. So I'm going to leave a little bit in the bottom, and then I'll just put it on the top. Because, you know, we don't want to waste it, do we? And it'll go right across the very top when I'm finished. I believe my thing's going to be full. Maybe we can stir it like this, you think? Should have gotten a bigger bowl. Let me get something. I'm not going to be able to stir that. Let me grab us a big old mixing bowl. Let's see if we can stir it better in here. Y'all, I could have put it in the mixer. This is super easy just to mix up like this. Grab me a paper towel and wipe that off. All right, now then. Got ready to mix it in here. I've forgotten how much this really made. Y'all see my shirt, it says ping. I've been canning. And I'm going to can some more today. And I'm going to show y'all how I can my tomatoes. I don't put them in a canner. Y'all, that tastes so good. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Alright, now then, we're going to layer it. Got our vanilla wafers. We're going to put a layer on the bottom here. Y'all want to do this. You want to put your bananas between layers of your pudding mixture so that they don't turn brown. Try to get these all in a nice layer here. I don't think it really matters as long as you've got some in there. But we'll try to arrange them, won't we? Alright, there we go. Alright, now then. I'm going to throw my spatula over there. Grab me out another one here. Pour a little bit of this in there, just like that. Pull it around there to the edges. Y'all see what I'm doing? I believe you can. Alright, now then. My bananas have been in the refrigerator, y'all. Because get the mess cleaned up just a little bit and get it out of our way. Get a garbage bowl. Y'all have a garbage bowl? I do. There's my knife. Alright. And then we're just going to slice these. 4 bananas. I'll try to make 4 layers. I don't know if I'll have enough of everything to make 4 layers. I have to use 2 bananas per layer. That's okay. Perfectly fine. Y'all just use what you got. It's got a dark spot on it. We'll cut it off. All right, there we go. We'll get all our bananas spread out evenly. All right, now then, put a little more pudding. Like I said, you want to make sure those bananas are all covered real good or they'll turn brown. You don't want that. All right, now then we're going to come in with more vanilla wafers. These are turning upside down. That's okay. I don't guess it really matters, does it? My husband likes this to set and the cookies all get real soft. I like to eat it while the cookies are crunchy. So we have a difference of opinion there. So I'm making this in the morning, so maybe by tonight it'll have softened up enough for his liking because this is one of his favorites. I got pudding on my sleeve. I feel like I do. Got it somewhere, something. And there was 2 bananas. I hope my bowl's big enough. Y'all know me. This is one I may just have to make another little one if this bowl's not big enough. I can't just dump this one, can I? Y'all, this is also good. You may talk to y'all about taking things to a funeral here last week or week before. This is also something that is a huge hit when there's been a death like that. People love this banana pudding. They really do. I believe this bowl will hold it. I'm going to see what's on my arm though, because something feels wet or sticky. I'm going to save those cookies and I'm just going to go with bananas this time. Got one more banana. Where is that? Oh, it's right there. That's why I keep getting it. All righty. Y'all know if you've got bananas that are getting old and too ripe to make either banana pudding or banana bread. And I'm going to make banana bread with y'all here real soon because I've got macadamia nuts I want to put in it and some coconut. And I think that would just make a wonderful Hawaiian bread, quick bread. I just think that would be so yummy. All the things that I love. You could even add a little bit of pineapple. If you drained it real well, I think what you could do. I'm going to play around with it and see. All right, let's put us some more of our pudding. All right, I believe that's about all our bowl is going to hold. That's just about it. All she wrote, folks. Now then, we're going to top this vanilla wafers, and we're going to try to make it look pretty this time. I'm about have enough here. Oh, it isn't that pretty. All right, and I'll save the rest of this Cool Whip, put on it when we serve it because it's not going to fit on top of this bowl. There's no way. All right, y'all, that's it. And in 10 minutes or less, if I hadn't been talking all the time, I've got a banana pudding made. Quick, easy, simple, wonderful banana pudding. You all really need to try this. You really do. This is all there is to it. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set till tonight after dinner. And we're going to have this good old banana pudding. I'm going to get in here. I've got a box of peaches. I'm going to make some peach reserves. And I've got some tomatoes. And I'm going to can those. I'm going to show y'all how I do that. But that'll be another video. So y'all have to stay tuned to watch that one. And that'll be all for this one. Remember to share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.